The OUKITEL WP100 Titan WP100 smartphone released in 2025. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. Upon initial setup, the WP100 Titan comes pre-installed with the Android OS version 14.0, ensuring seamless functionality right from the start. This smartphone boasts an impressive 6.8-inch IPS display that delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors. The WP100 Titan features a multi-camera setup. The optical image stabilization, OIS, technology found in the WP100 Titan smartphone significantly improves the photography experience. This phone is exclusively offered in a single color. The NanoSIM's compact size allows mobile device manufacturers to design slimmer and more compact devices. Straight out of the package, the WP100 Titan is powered by the Android OS version 14.0. Android allows for efficient multitasking by enabling users to switch between multiple applications seamlessly. Fueling the performance of the WP100 Titan is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, which acts as its powerhouse. Fueling the WP100 Titan's capabilities is an octa-core CPU, delivering the ability to handle resource-intensive tasks effortlessly. The Mali G610MC4 offers excellent performance for tasks like 3D rendering, image processing, and video playback. For gauging the overall processing performance of devices, we turn to the AnTuTu app, which provides valuable insights through comprehensive benchmark tests. Screen size is determined by measuring the diagonal distance, in inches, from one corner of the display to the opposite corner. The 6.8-inch display size provides an enjoyable viewing experience for various forms of content. The screen resolution of the WP100 Titan phone is 1080 x 2460px. With a generous allocation of 16 GB of RAM, the WP100 Titan offers users a smooth and responsive experience. More RAM in a smartphone translates into improved performance and increased capacity for multitasking. The WP100 Titan smartphone boasts an extensive internal storage capacity of 512 GB, allowing you to store a vast amount of data. The WP100 Titan smartphone does not have the option to expand its internal storage, which means you're limited to the built-in storage capacity. With its innovative multi-camera configuration located on the back, the WP100 Titan smartphone enables you to explore the world of mobile photography. The WP100 Titan smartphone's camera boasts an autofocus capability, which means you can rely on it to capture clear and detailed photos. Optical image stabilization, OIS, is a notable feature of the rear camera on this smartphone, delivering improved image stabilization. The presence of an LED flash on the back of the WP100 Titan guarantees well-illuminated photos. With its dedicated selfie camera, the WP100 Titan enables users to take self-portraits effortlessly and engage in high-quality video chats with friends and family. With the convenience of a removable Li-ion 33,000 mAh non-removable battery, the WP100 Titan smartphone provides a reliable power source throughout the day. Li-ion batteries generally have a longer lifespan compared to other battery types, such as nickel-based batteries.